Hi students, let's learn how to write an algebraic expression that involve the following situation. So a hamper contains D boxes of chocolates and W boxes of sweets. So how many boxes of chocolates and sweets are there in 4 such hamper? So one hamper contains D box of chocolates and W boxes of sweets. So this is one set. So if I have 4 sets of them, how should we write them? Okay, so we should write them as 4 times D plus W. So when you simplify them, it will be 4 bracket D plus W. Let's try the next one. So a box contains W sweets and Ali has 3 such boxes. It means 3 boxes. So if he give 5 to his friend, how many sweets does Ali have right now? So first thing, let's find out the number of sweets that he have in total. So we know that is 3 times W is the total number of sweets, and he give 5 sweets away. So when you give 5 sweets away, do you have more sweets or less sweets? Okay, so you have less sweets, so you minus 5. Let's look at the next one. Raymond has X dollars. He earned Y dollars. He then distribute this amount of money to 3 children. So how much does each child receive? So Raymond had X dollars at first. Then he earned some money, which is Y dollar. So now if he earn money, does he has more money or less money? Okay, so he has more money. So the total amount of money will be X plus Y. Then he divide this total amount of money to 3 kids. So you need to divide by 3. And the last one, Hui Ling has 10 boxes of chocolates. Each box contains D chocolate. He then repacked the chocolates into R packets, such that each packet has an equal number of chocolates. So how many chocolates are there in each packet? Okay, so we do it step by step. So Hui Ling has 10 boxes, and each box contains D of them. So the total number of chocolate will be 10 times D, which is 10D. She then repacked these chocolates into R packets. So since you need to repack, right, that means you need to divide by R. Okay, so now let's try the workbook questions. So the workbook questions are similar as well. So I need you to try B, C, and D. And this should be your homework done yesterday already. So let's go through. So a tin contains B candies, and Molly has 5 such tin. She gave her friend 7 candies. So how much candy does she have right now? So first step, you need to find out the total number of candies first. So 1 tin got B candies. So 5 tin, how many candies will there be? So it'll be 5 times B, 5B. Then she need to give 7 candies to her friend. So does she have more sweets or less sweet? So she has less sweet, right? So you need to minus 7. Let's look at part C. So Sarina had D loaf of bread. So D loaf of bread. She baked another E loaf. She then distributed all the loaf of bread equally to 3 orphanage. I mean to 3 places. So how many loaf of bread does each orphanage receive? So first step, always to find out the total number of bread first. So step 1. Find total number, which is the expression. Then you find out what do they do with the total number. So if it's divide, then you divide. If it's times, you times. If it's minus, you minus. If it's plus, you plus. So you will add So you not add. So you take the total. Take the total amount or number. Then you minus, plus, times, or divide. Then remember that for times you need to use brackets, and for divide you need to put a horizontal line. Alright, to represent as a fraction. So first step, find total number of bread. So it'll be D plus E, because she has D. Then she make another E more, so D plus E is the total. Then she need to distribute to 3 places, so it's D plus E over 3. And last question, a box contains X orange and there are 8 of them. 8 such boxes, that means there are 8 identical boxes. So first step, we need to find the total number of boxes first. It'll be 8x. Then we need to share these oranges, right? Total number of oranges among 3 people. Share with 3 people. So in order for them to get equal number, we need to divide by 3. So if you get it right, give yourself a small tick. Alright? And give yourself a pat on your shoulder if you get everything right. Good job. So this is it for this part of the questions. So please look at the next video. Thank you.